So hi guys, this is Arun Gautam once again and you're watching AG Vlogs, and today we are going to unbox a product. Yes, you can see this is Samsung Wireless Galaxy Buds, and this is the product which I was waiting for such a long time, and I'm so excited to open this and use it. So before I open this box, I should tell you that what is written on the box. It's written 6 hours playtime with the battery, clear call quality, wireless charging, designed for comfort and stability. And at the back it's written Samsung Galaxy Buds. It works on Bluetooth, powered by AKG, and the packaging contains one earbud LED left and right, charging case, wing tip 3 sets, earbud tips 3 sets, USB-C type cable, and quick start guide. And nothing more is written on that. This is our shipping and the price is written at the back. So let's quickly open this box. So it's open, and this is a warranty card, and yeah, some more papers are inside. That's Galaxy Buds. And let's take this out. So yes, it has a C-type cable, some wing tips, some earbud tips. So let's keep this aside. This is only beneficial if you're going to charge it with the cable, and if you're not going to do the wireless charging. And now comes the final part, which I'm excited about. So the packaging has been done very nicely. So it has a C-type cable input. This is a LED which blinks when it is fully charged. And yeah, now it's red. That means it needs to be charged. And crazy, this is. This is left, this is right. They are not just good for listening, they're amazing for being heard too. With these Samsung Galaxy Earbuds, you can walk, you can run, you can jog, you can dance without having them fall out of your ears. And it has a dual microphone technology, which means it has a outer mic and it has an inner mic here. So that means you can talk to people, you can talk over the phone call. It detects a noise automatically and switches automatically. For example, if there is a noise outside, it detects it, and the mic switches automatically to the inner side, so that the audio is getting picked up internally when it is noisy outside. If I talk about design, it just not comfortably fits in, also ergonomically designed to stay there in your ear, so it will not fall. This has quick ambient mode. That means by tapping and holding this button, you can simply let the outside world back in without taking them out. So you don't have to take this earbuds out of your ear if you want to talk to a outer world while having it plugged in your ears. And the quick pairing works very nice. I will show you that as well. So we've opened this. So the pairing is very fast and everything. It shows detail over there. So it automatically syncs with your phone. So one of the great feature, I guess, it has a quick pairing. And now I have to use it, and once I use it, I would be able to tell you how it works. As far as I have seen videos that it works great with Samsung S10 and Samsung S10 Plus. So let's check wireless charging. For that, you need to activate wireless power and ready to charge. So all I have to do is keep the phone like this, and you will hear a beep sound. Yes, so that means wireless charging is working, and very simple. You just have to keep it like this.